You can make this in a coffee cup using just 3 ingredients. I'm using a 50 milliliters coffee cup here. I will add some white chocolate to each cup. Approximately 3 to 4 drops. Once it's ready, microwave it until it starts melting. Once it's soft, spread it all over the cup. Put it in the fridge until the chocolate hardens. Then repeat the process. Leave it in the fridge, and in another container, add 400 grams of cream. Add a small packet of strawberry flavored juice, then mix everything together. This is perfect. Let's add all this mousse to the cups. To finish, let's use a popsicle stick. Guys, I've halved the stick for each glass. Put it in the freezer until it's hardened. Look how this mini popsicle turns out. Amazing, super quick, easy, delicious, and using just 3 ingredients. Make this at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoy. I've enjoyed this, another recipe from the poor man's kitchen. Until next time, it was worth it.